Global Domains International, or GDI for short, has been around for 27 years. Is it possible to still make money online with this? Yes, it is. Okay. It is a great company. Like I said, it's been around for 27 years. I've been in it for quite a few years. But what's the secret to how do you make money with GDI? Maybe you've been in it before, maybe you're thinking about it. It really is only a $10 a month company, and you get a domain name, email addresses, web hosting, and a great affiliate program to be able to earn money with it. Okay, but what's the secret? The secret is systems. You need systems to help you to be able to grow it. So let's look into this. Okay, this is our first system. This is a great system. This is called the Smart GDI Rotator. Now this is a separate company from GDI. This is not GDI. This is the system that helps you grow GDI. This is basically, it's a rotator, okay? But they also have wonderful pages. I mean, look at this page. Isn't this beautiful? And what this does is a rotator is they send out signups. So they advertise. You have to meet 3 qualifications. You can get up to 10 paid GDI signups, and everyone that joins you can also get the same thing from this GDI Smart Rotator. Okay, but now understand that there's over 5,740 people in this, and they're not all going to be on your team. So it's going to take time for the rotator to go through and to send you some signups. Okay, so you can't just get into this and think it's going to send you signups the first couple weeks, the first month. Okay, this has to be something that you continue to do consistently. And what I love about this is they're always updating this. They're always adding. They have capture pages in this. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need any tech savvy. This is just beautiful. Okay. What they do is wonderful. Now there's a second system, and this is great. You still need to do the advertising though, okay? But what's great is that if you send hits and you do the other 2 things, which is create a backlink. I have a video that tells you how to do that, and to upload your downline report. So 3 things that you need to do to qualify to get up to 10 GDI paid signups, which is incredible. If you were to look at the GDI calculator and look how many 10 paid signups get you, oh yeah. And then the next system that helps to grow GDI is called the Viral Smart Rotator. Now this has inside it, this has the GDI Smart Rotator in it to help you advertising. But what this is this is also a downline builder and an advertising system. This helps you because it's a downline builder for also traffic resources. This is more for like if you're in traffic exchanges, if you're in safe lists, if you're in traffic builders and things like this. This is priceless. This system is great. It's just brought out. They have some really great one-time offers as you come in, that this is just going to get bigger and bigger as it goes. So those are systems. What's another way that you can get and this is going to be the easiest one, is what I'm talking about right now. The easiest way to get GDI signups is when you join with my team, because I'm your GDI girl. I'm all about GDI. Okay? You join with my team, and then you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ring the little notification bell so you know when I upload a video, and then you comment what you liked in the video, or just a comment about the video, and then you like the video, and then everybody that does that, I try to once a month move one of my free trial members below you. Okay, that's providing I have enough to cover everybody. And I've been. So let me read the people that are listed on here. Okay, and if you're not on here, you need to either change, either join me, sign up below me, or you need to change so that I know who you are. Sometimes people comment and their YouTube channel has a name that I don't recognize, so I'm not going to be able to do that. So I have Mark Pappas, Darren, Jason, Bia, Jamal, Samuel, Chandra, Victoria, and Kenneth. You guys I've been seeing commenting and liking the videos. I appreciate you so much. You guys are incredible. You know, you just inspire me to want to do more videos, to want to work harder so that we can all succeed. And we have a drum roll because today I'm moving a new member. So who is it going to be today? Okay, here is my GDI back office. You can see Carol Reve. I'm a platinum director, and I'm going to move a downline person. Move a free trial member below somebody. Congratulations, Kenneth Murray. You've just got a new person placed below you. Yeah! I have a lot of fun with this, okay? Again, if you're looking to get into GDI, I'm your GDI girl, okay? My team, we work together. And again, if you want to have success, you need a system to help you. These systems have resources in them. Like I said, the Smart Rotator has wonderful capture pages, landing pages. It has banners in here. It has a lot of amazing things in here. And then for helping you with traffic, for like traffic exchanges and safe lists, mailers, traffic builders, things like this. The Viral Smart Rotator, which inside the rotator, it has a spot where you can add your GDI Smart Rotator link to it so you can grow GDI that way too. The one warning I might give is remember you need to make sure you're sending enough hits to the Smart Rotator to qualify to get signups, okay, to do the qualification. But remember, this rotator has 5,700 people. Now, of course, they're not all going to be active because, you know, in this industry, a lot of people jump from one thing to another thing to another thing. Okay, so you might have half the amount of the people be active in this. But still, that's a lot of people on the rotator, so you need to be patient. You need to make sure you're active. You need to make sure you're sending the hits. Okay, so God bless. Take care. And congratulations to Kenneth. Wow! And if you'd like to join our crazy, wonderful team, just click the link below and then I will move you. And then when you comment and like the videos, we'll have a drum roll for when you get a sign up too placed below you. Okay, God bless and take care.